Hi there. This is Dr. John Whitcomb talking about raise your dopamine with a cold shower. I'm serious. In the British Journal of Sports Medicine, it was found that taking a cold shower increases your dopamine 250%. What's dopamine? Actually, it's like 1% of your neurotransmitters of your brain, but there are those who've argued that it's what makes us human because it's intensely involved with all sorts of emotion and memory. It certainly plays a big part in Parkinson's disease, but it's only made in a few places, but 50% of it's made in your gut. Now, we're not quite sure why the cold shower sets it off. But there's something about that raises your dopamine dramatically. And in fact, it helps with mood quite a lot. Now, I'm not talking about a cold shower that lasts 45 minutes. I'm talking about the last 15 seconds. Take a nice warm shower and then turn it down to quite cool. And just count 15, 14, 13, 12. Turn it off. That's all it takes. Now can you increase that to 30 seconds? What you'll find is actually people will gradually get used to it, but if you get to 30 seconds, you're probably getting enough benefit. So if you can increase to that. Now, Wim Hof has shown us that he can climb the Mount Everest with just his underpants on and can swim across frozen lakes, but he's taken years training his body to it. But the sea women of Korea have been deep sea divers and have gotten their body core temperature down to 90 degrees with their diving, and they've gotten used to it because that's how they had to make a livelihood. There's multiple species around that, but getting your body to cold is really interesting. Raises your dopamine. Might give it a try. Your mood might get quite a bit better. This is Dr. John Whitcomb talking about raise your dopamine with a cold shower.